Inside Force, there are 4 standalone plugin instruments, including Hype, which is a cutting-edge and incredibly versatile synthesizer. Electric is a powerful keys plugin capable of everything from the smoothest, warmest textures to the grittiest keyscapes. It also has one of my favorite user interfaces. The next plugin is Tubesynth, which is a deeply modeled tube synthesizer with all the controls over envelope, LFO, and filters that you could imagine. And the last plugin is Bassline, which I like to use with the ARP function to give me some really classic synth textures. So let's go back to Hype Synth and take a listen to some of the different presets.